as they continue.
President Uhuru Kenyatta ni atwarithitie nambere mihango ya uruguria wa tabarira itiganite cia uthii wa nambere umuthi akiambiriria mihango eno kaunti-ini ya Kisumu. Aha president ambiriria na kuruguria mihango ya ceceni nene ya meri bururi-ini cia iria ria Victoria. Riu ceceni eno ikigwetwo gutura mieke miingi ya mawira kuri ya Kenya.
Today's commissioning comes hot on the heels of successfully commissioning the Mombasa slipway at the Kenya Navy base in Mutongwe in December of last year.
This is one of the two Kenya shipyards main facilities, the other one being in Mombasa, and this is the one you opened last year in December.
Akiaria hindi ya mihango eno, President Kenyatta ni agwetete ikinya inene ria kuhuthia ukui iria-ini riri, undu uria kwagirithia wonjoria wa mabururi maria mahuthagira iria riri ari ni hamwe na Kenya, Uganda na Tanzania.
This shipyard here in Kisumu will have the capacity to construct, to refit, to convert, repair and maintain ships, but also to undertake maritime services within the Lake Victoria region and other inland water bodies.
Nigeshera ya President guuku no ritigereire bururi wa Kenya waingire itari-ini ria mabururi maria manethondekera meri. Riu meri irekirie kurekereirio gwakwa ya MV Uhuru 2 ikirekereirio maai-ini.
Kenya Shipyards Limited role in the development of our blue economy is set to attract foreign direct investment, but also to direct domestic investments in the long run.
Flotation and subsequent commissioning of MV Uhuru 2 will have an immediate impact of increasing the volume of petroleum product being transported to Uganda from Kisumu, while at the same time generating more revenue for the government.
Meri eno ya urahi wa mita 100 iri na uhoti wa gukua bogi 22 guku igikuwa rita milioni 2 cia maguta maria matari magayania otirifu. Riu iri ya gweterwo nayo ta meri ya mbere guthondekwo ni ya Kenya unyitaniri na igithia kuma bururi wa Netherlands.
The operationalization of this facility will create businesses as well as job opportunities for hundreds of thousands of people through growth of primary and ancillary manufacturing industries, improved transport and safety on the lake.
In 118 years, we were able to see the first ship built in Kenya floating on Lake Victoria.
President ni augite waki wa meri eno ni uhete maenjinia guku bururi-ini mweke wa guthoma iguru rigie waki wa meri ugi uria makwandandura na mahinda.
The government of Kenya has anchored the blue economy in the country's economic pillar of Vision 2030 development blueprint, specifically to achieve the food security and manufacturing targets.
Gicigo kia Nyanza no kiragunekire na icera riri kuria utuku wa ira president aratongoririe kuhingurwo gwa kiganda kia uthondeki wa nguo kiria giakitwo rungu rwa tabarira ya IPZ iria ikoretwo ikihurirwo Defence Ministry ya Uganda. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.
Ya kwamba kazi kubwa